Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw funds from Klarna balance step by step. So let's get started. First, open the Klarna app on your phone and log into your account. Once you are logged in, go to the wallet section where you can manage your Klarna balance and payment options. Now inside the wallet, tap on Klarna balance or main account. After opening it, look for the send option and tap on it. This is the option used to transfer or withdraw your funds. If you want to withdraw funds to your bank account, follow the prompts to connect your bank account first. Make sure the account is in your own name. After connecting the account, enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm the transfer. Klarna mentions that bank withdrawals may take up to 3 business days to process. You also have another option called push to card. This allows you to send funds directly to a connected debit card. To use this feature, tap on push to card, then select the debit card you previously used to add funds into Klarna. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. Once confirmed, the money will be sent to your connected debit card. Before confirming any withdrawal, always double check your account or card details to avoid transfer issues. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching.